Good morning, everyone. In my previous class, we were on the topic irrigation. Today, we are going to discuss more about irrigation. In my previous class, I told you the factors affecting irrigation requirement of crops. So, the which factors depend on the irrigation requirement of the crops. First is nature of the crops, whether the crop is kharif crop or whether it is rabi. So the supplying of water depend upon the nature, which kind of the crop is, in which category it comes in. Next is nature of the soil. Nature of the soil means if the soil is sandy, so it needs more water because the water percolate into the ground, means the percolation rate is more in the sandy soil with respect to the clayey soil. Clayey soil need less water because the clayey soil has good retention power. Season. In which season is crop cultivated? If it is cultivated in rainy season, it requires less water. If it is cultivated in the summer season, it requires more water because the water get evaporated more in the summer season. So the irrigation depend upon these three factors. Next one is sources of irrigation. Where we get the water from, means what are the resources, what are the places we get the water for the irrigation purpose. We get the water from river, we get the water from lakes, we get the water from wells, tube wells. So these are the sources of irrigation. Next is method of irrigation. We have we have two different method of irrigation. One is traditional, which we are not following nowadays, and other one is modern, which we are following nowadays. So the traditional methods are moat, chain pump, dekli, and rahat. And I am showing you the picture of these for traditional method. After looking into the picture, you can easily depict that what is moat, what is chain pump, dekli, and rahat. This is the moat. You can easily see one end of the rope is tied around the neck of a cow, or it may be buffalo, and other end is connected to the container. When the cow pull the rope, the container will come up with the water and farmers start pouring it into the field. Next one is chain pump. You can easily see what is the process of chain pump the farmer was opting in at the earlier time. This is dekli and this one is rahat. So these all are what? These all are traditional method which we are not following nowadays. I'm emphasizes on that we are not following, the farmers are not following this method because it need much time. Second, it need much labor. It need it will be like by using traditional method, the wastage of water is more. So we are nowadays we are opting modern method. We have two types of modern method. One is sprinkler system and other one is drip system. In this method, the wastage of water is less, and the labor is also less, and the region where there is a lack of availability of water, these methods are really very useful for the irrigation purpose. So in sprinkler system, we have one perpendicular pipe and there is a rotating nozzle at the top of the perpendicular pipe. When the water rushes into the pipe, the nozzle start rotating and escape from the holes of the nozzles. And next one is drip system. In drip system, it is a network of narrow pipes, and narrow pipes are connected it is placed at the end of the roots, means it is placed at the position of the roots, and it will the water escape out from the pipe drop by drop. So these two are what? These two are these two methods are modern method which we are opting nowadays. Thank you.